Hello, Podcast Creators.
Hello.
We are here again with our wonderful Lexi, and today
We're making a shirt for me.
we're making a shirt for her that says "Future YouTube Star." So, for those of you that use the Cricut, this is several layers of vinyl. So stay tuned, and you will see the wonderful product at the end.
Wait. Hey,
Oh.
Craft Creators, please make sure to like and subscribe. As you always know, don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notified.
All right, so procrastinators, just so you can see, we have 6 different mats that we're going to use. Some of them will be glitter, some of them will be iron-on. We're going to start with an iron-on for the first mat. So as you can see, we're here. We're going to leave it on normal pressure. My Cricut is now blinking at me, so we're going to get Lexi here to put our different vinyls on the different mats.
Hi, Craft Creators. We're already inside now. We got a mat. So first you got your vinyl. You got your vinyl. First you have to put your shiny side down, like this. Make sure it follows the line perfect. And then you have to put it into your into these corners. What type of button do you press?
Yep, and now we're going to
Press that one.
And it didn't grab it, so we're gonna do that again. So whenever your mat doesn't grab, you can just hit your arrows again.
Oh my! Wait, it's not in the
It's
corners.
fine. It's fine.
It's not on the corners.
All right, so I'm gonna hold it up so that it can grab it, and then you can hit the button, and there we go. And now we can see that our Cricut button is flashing, so we're going to hit our flashing Cricut button.
Okay.
And then our Cricut Maker will make its cut. So we're going to do this for all 6 layers. As you can see, we have all of that different vinyl there that is going to be cut. So we may come back to a few different pieces to show you how it cuts.
Okay. Hi, creators. We already did the white one, so as you can see, it's kind of hard to cut out though. So we got our other piece and put the shiny side down. Then we have to put it in the corner. Make sure there's no gaps, and make sure it's straight. It doesn't have to be perfect though.
No. Awesome. Good job.
And then we put it back in here. Okay, and now we press this. Then we press this button.
And just so you can see, it is getting ready to cut out the words YouTube.
Yes.
So we'll just watch it do that for a few seconds. And so like we said before, we have 5 more colors that we're going to do. So we're not going to show you the same thing over and over again. We just wanted to show you the basis of how this works. So you're going to let it cut each of your vinyl mat colors, and then we're going to do our weeding process next.
Hello, Precast, and we're back now. Like we done the whole thing. We just had to change it because Future and Precast Creators was messed up. So now I got this one. I'm gonna do this one because
What are you doing to that one?
I'm gonna poke it with.
We're gonna weed it.
I'm gonna weed it. and the my boss of the craft master.
I am the boss of Procrastmaster. Okay. Go ahead. Show them what to do.
The procrastinator helped me and poked a hole for me so I can kind of easily get the joke. So I can like easily go into the thing. Then I could.
Yep. Keep it down.
Okay. So I can.
And just pull it hard once you got it under there.
Got it.
Pull it.
Mm-hmm. Now I can put it with my hands, because this is gonna be the best day ever. Okay. Subscribe. Also for Crafts Creators, look at this. Subscribe.
Okay. They can't see the subscribe yet, so you have to take each letter out.
Okay. And now we will record her doing it.
Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is heat the shirt up, which we've done. And then we're just going to lay down our vinyl where we want it to go.
You're supposed to put future. There it is.
Future, what's our next part?
YouTube star. We got the star here.
So future.
YouTube star.
YouTube.
It's focusing.
I think we have to do that.
YouTube star.
Right? Is that how we had that?
Yeah. This is gonna be so good. No, go to Target.
All right. So we have layers.
It's future YouTube subscribe. The Crafts Creators. The Crafts Creators.
Put that on later. I'm gonna put that on later too.
Creator
So that I don't mess
DIY.
up.
I'm part of the Crafts.
Okay.
The Crafts.
All right.
The Crafts Creators.
Does that look good to you?
Yeah. And now I finished. Now she finished my shirt.
No, I'm not finished. I gotta put the heat on.
Yeah, she has
So
to put the heat on
this is
first.
called an easy press, right?
Yeah, I got it.
So we're gonna use our easy press. It
Good.
is set at 305 degrees,
And
it is gonna sit on there for 20 seconds. Okay, so we're just gonna show you really quickly how we're layering this. So this is a piece that goes on top. So we're just gonna put that piece into place, and then we're gonna cover up what we've already ironed down so we don't melt the vinyl. And we did that here with our star as well. So we're just gonna put our star on there, and then we're gonna cover up the word star. So again, that we don't melt those pieces. So we're just gonna put the easy press back on for probably 15 seconds, and then this shirt will be done. So thank you again for watching. Please, 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 we need you to
like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell so you can get notified, and so we can make some money.
All right, so we're gonna come back. Lexi's gonna show you her shirt, and we all hope that you will come and see us again.
Bye.
One.
For Crafts Creators, this is what my shirt looks like. It's finally done. It's kind and the sun is setting. So here's some pictures.